In this video, I'll show you how to add GCash to Apple Pay. First, there's one important thing to know. In the Philippines, GCash can be added as a payment method for your Apple account, but that is not the same as adding GCash directly to Apple Pay in the Wallet app. Apple's official payment methods page for the Philippines lists GCash for Apple account purchases, while Apple Pay setup still requires a supported debit, credit, or prepaid card from a participating issuer. So if your goal is to use GCash for App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, or other Apple purchases, open Settings on your iPhone, tap your name, then tap Payment and Shipping. After that, tap Add Payment Method and choose GCash if it appears in your region's options. Apple's official guide says this is where you add payment methods to your Apple account. Next, follow the prompts to log into your GCash account or verify the connection. Once it's linked, GCash can be used for eligible Apple purchases tied to your Apple account in the Philippines. But if you're trying to use Apple Pay and Wallet for tap-to-pay purchases, GCash itself is not listed by Apple as a participating Apple Pay card issuer in the Philippines. For that, you would need to add a supported bank card instead. That's how to add GCash for Apple purchases and the key difference from Apple Pay. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.